students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our next question is, find the mode of the following data. So formula for mode is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 times F1 minus F0 minus F2 times H, where L is the lower limit of the model class, F1 is the frequency of the model class, F0 is the frequency of the preceding class, F2 is the frequency of the succeeding class, and H is the size of the model interval, like interval of the model class. So first we will have to find model class. Model class is nothing but the class with maximum frequency. So this is the frequency. The maximum frequency is 15. So this will become our model class. Now using this we will find the mode. So let's put everything in our mode formula, where L is the lower limit of the model class. So lower limit of model class is 15. So instead of L, we will write 15 plus F1. F1 is the frequency of model class. So this is our F1. This will become F0 is the frequency of preceding class. So preceding to model class is this class. So frequency is 13 here. So F0 is 13 and F2 is the frequency of the succeeding class. So this is the succeeding class and frequency here is 7. So this is our F2. Now we'll put all the values there. So F1 is 15 minus F0. F0 is 13 divided by 2 times F1. 2 times F1 is 30 minus F0 again 13 minus F2 which is 7. So minus 7 into H. H is the size of the model interval. So size of this interval is 5, right? 20 minus 15 is 5. So into 5. So this will become 15 plus 15 minus 13 is 2, and 30 minus 7 will be 10 into 5. So this is 5 2s are 10 and 10 will cancel out. So this is 1. So mode will be 15 plus 1 which is equals to 16. So 16 is the mode of the given data. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.